Hi friends, today we are making Italian 5-ingredient cannoli cream cups, a raw no-cook dessert that tastes rich, elegant, and bakery-inspired with almost no effort. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 20 minutes, including a short chill. Let us walk through the 5 ingredients first. 1 1/2 cups whole milk ricotta gives the dessert its classic Italian cannoli flavor, so choose a thick, fresh, pasteurized ricotta if you can. 1/2 cup mascarpone makes the cream extra silky and rich without needing any cooking or whipping cream. 1/2 cup powdered sugar sweetens the cheese gently and dissolves smoothly into the cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract adds warmth and makes the filling taste like a bakery-style cannoli cream. 1/2 cup mini dark chocolate chips brings the little bittersweet bites that make this simple raw dessert feel special. Begin the preparation by placing 1 1/2 cups whole milk ricotta in a fine mesh sieve set over a bowl. Let it sit for 5 minutes so any loose liquid can drain away. Now that the ricotta has drained, use a white silicone spatula to gently press it through the sieve into the mixing bowl. This makes the cream smoother and lighter. Add 1/2 cup mascarpone to the smoothed ricotta, keeping the cheeses together in the center of the bowl so they combine evenly. Fold the ricotta and mascarpone together for about 1 minute, scraping the sides of the bowl until the mixture looks thick, pale, and even. Next, add 1/2 cup powdered sugar to the cheese mixture. Sprinkle it over the surface instead of dumping it in one spot, so it blends in without clumps. Fold the powdered sugar into the cheese for 1 minute, moving slowly at first so the sugar stays in the bowl, then stirring until the cream turns glossy. Now add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pouring it directly into the center of the cream for an even, warm flavor. Stir again for 30 seconds, scraping across the bottom of the bowl so the vanilla is fully mixed through every spoonful. Reserve 2 tablespoons mini dark chocolate chips for the topping, then add the remaining 6 tablespoons mini dark chocolate chips to the bowl. Fold the chocolate chips through the cream just until they are evenly scattered. Stop once you see little chocolate flecks all through the mixture. Divide the cannoli cream among 4 small clear dessert glasses, adding 1 generous spoonful at a time so the portions stay even. Use the back of the spoon to make a soft swirl on top of each glass, keeping the cream just below the rim for a neat finish. Sprinkle the reserved 2 tablespoons mini dark chocolate chips over the 4 glasses, giving each portion a simple chocolate topping. Chill the glasses for 15 minutes. This final rest firms the raw cream slightly and brings the ricotta, mascarpone, vanilla, and chocolate together before serving. And there it is, a raw Italian cannoli cream dessert that delivers the sweet, creamy charm of cannoli with only 5 ingredients and no cooking at all. Serve these chilled with small spoons, and enjoy that ricotta, mascarpone, vanilla, and chocolate in every bite. If you love this easy dessert, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple recipes.